So we're going to kick off the music with the mbira class, taught by Wanda Walker there. These guys have been playing for quite a few years. It's great to see that they're playing this traditional instrument. This is where the marimba music, comes from. A lot of the songs that we're playing comes from the mbira. So they are playing Kuzanga, which was taught to us by our artist in residence this year, Musekiwa Chingodza, one of our teachers who came from Zimbabwe for the 3 or 4 months, and he taught this song, Kuzanga.